National Medical, Dental and Nursing Cultural and Sports Festival here at SGRD UHS. Resonance 2025. A round of applause for Resonance 2025. सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, आदाब, वेलकम। सारे प्यार सानू सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ प्यार भरी जी आइयां ਨੂੰ।
Ready for you, featuring a vibrant array of performances that will captivate the audience. We are proud to showcase young talents with bright faces whose skills and dedication demonstrate their potential to become valuable contributors of our future.
For all the young energies, the young blood and all our dear students here, from our institutes and from institutes outside of Punjab, a round of applause. This festival, students, is for you, is of you and because of you. The institute, since the last few weeks, has been buzzing with activity, and I literally mean buzzing. There have been days of intense rehearsals and minutes of final preparations. Students have been practicing wherever they could find, and they have made that places and studios. And let me tell you, audience, that the faculty has been hand in glove with all the students. All the preparatory days for us have been full of experience and learning.
This mega event is expected to witness the toughest contenders in cultural and sports participations coming from various universities and institutes across the country to claim triumph in the varied events and numerous cultural and sports competitions, from the stroke of the brush to the lens of the camera,
from the strings of the guitar
to the words of an orator,
from the eyes of an actor
to the pitch of the singer,
from the steps of a dance and to the eloquence of the debate. As always, in India, we start an auspicious occasion with a prayer to the Supreme Soul. तेरी रज़ा नाल रात दिन चलदे ने मालका, चूल्हे चिराग ते दीवे बलदे ने मालका, ना घट ना ज़्यादा कुछ ठीक बख्श, अपनी रज़ा च रहन दी तौफीक बख्श दे, अपनी रज़ा च रहन दी तौफीक बख्श दे। A humble attempt has been made by the students of SGRD to present a soulful rendition of a shabd composed by Tan Tan Shri Guru Ram Das Ji in Rag Kannada. This composition is a partal, which means different tals or rhythm cycles. A total of 6 tals are used in this composition. The shabad will be preceded initially by a shan or an instrumental prelude in which tabla player on a specific melody in the same rag plays various combinations and syllables on the table, on the tabla. And secondly, Mangalacharya, which is recitation of small parts of the of the Gurbani in the same part. They used to be a part of the Puratan Gurmat Sangeet, but today students are going to present that to you. May I request everyone to kindly stand up and cover your heads for the Shabad recital.
वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह।
And we also request the students to kindly accompany the dignitaries. Can we clear the mics before the ceremony? And may I invite the following dignitaries to kindly take their place on the dais. We are so thankful, and it is a gratitude for all the dignitaries who have come, all the principals and administrators who have come all over from Punjab to come and be a part of our inaugural ceremony for Resonance 2025. Without much ado, may I call upon Dr. Kavipal Singh, Principal, Shri Guru Ramdas Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, Amritsar. Students, to please accompany. Also, we extend a floral welcome to our dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Kavipal Singh, Dr. Anupama Mahajan, Director Principal, Shri Guru Ramdas Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Sri Amritsar. The students to please accompany. And we also extend a floral welcome to our Director Principal. May I now invite Dr. Rajiv Arora, Director Principal, Punjab Institute of Medical Sciences, Jalandhar, to take his place on the dais. Dr. Pramod Goel, Principal, Adesh Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Bathinda, to please come up on the stage. Dr. Ashok K. Atri, Director Principal, Government Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh. Dr. Akhilesh Pathak, Dean Principal, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bathinda. Dr. Rajiv Degan, Principal, Government Medical College, Amritsar. So Government Medical College, Amritsar is also the alma mater of so many of us who are present here. Dr. Manjeet Singh Uppal, Vice Chancellor, Shri Guru Ramdas University of Health Sciences, Amritsar. So I'm waiting for my co-host, Dr. Sahiba. May I invite Vice Chancellor, Shri Guru Ramdas University of Health Sciences, Sri Amritsar, the host institute, to kindly deliver the welcome address. Dr. Manjeet Singh Uppal, Vice Chancellor, is a seasoned administrator, the much respected guiding force for all of us on this institute. So SGRD UHS, please clap for Sir. Sir, please.
And a very good evening to all the dignitaries on the dais, the esteemed guests, respected faculty, and all my dear future healers, the students of our university as well as from other colleges. I am grateful and thankful to dignitaries on the dais who have found valuable time for us to share the dais with us and to be here in this resonance. I thank Dr. Ashok Atri, Director Principal GMCH Chandigarh, Dr. Rajiv Degan, Director Principal GNC Amritsar, Dr. Akhilesh Pathak, AIMS Bathinda, Director Principal Dr. Rajiv Arora, Director Principal TIMS Jalandhar, Dr. Pramod Goel, Director Principal Ramesh Medical College, Bathinda. I express my gratitude to all the dignitaries. Dr. Kalipal is here, our Director Principal, Dr. Anupam Mahajan is there. So this inauguration, which we want to celebrate here, it is a long-awaited and much anticipated event in the routine affairs of the SGRD University. Of course, now it is being held after a long gap of 7 years. Last time it was held in 2018, and it was because of unforeseen circumstances that this couldn't be held. But with a lot of effort, it is now here. And what this mega event, the cultural mega fest and mega event, I have been told that 41 colleges from all over Punjab, they are participating in this resonance, and including dental colleges, nursing colleges and medical colleges. And about 900 students they have registered so far, and it's getting added up. More and more students they are coming. So it's an overwhelming response, and I thank everybody, all those students who have come from far away places to be here with us. Resonance is not just an event, it's a celebration of who we are, a vibrant testament to the spirit of SGRDians which resides within the walls of this premises, and also it's an occasion where science meets the soul and the discipline dances with creativity. So in a nutshell, the Resonance 2025 is about resonating with a rhythm that reminds us that life is not just about surviving, but thriving. And also, these are the moments which we should use to find joy within the chaos, and also it's a good moment of connecting with one another outside the wards and the lecture theatres of the medical college. This festival is a canvas where every one of us, whether you are a singer, a poet, a dancer, a sports person, or simply a supporter in the crowd, everyone gets a paint to stroke their individuality in this event. I want to take this moment to thank our faculty and the entire organization team of Resonance 2025, and also acknowledge their passionate input. And of course, the crown goes to Dr. A.P. Singh, who is the master orchestrator, a multifaceted man with inherent knack of taking things from conceptualization to implementation with insane level of attention to the minute details. And it is their all collective effort that has materialized this event with a resounding success. And in the end, I also want to again thank all the participants and attendees from all colleges for joining us in this event. And in fact, your energy is the soul of this event. I urge you all to immerse yourself fully, cheer a little louder, laugh a little harder, and let loose in a way that recharges us for the challenges ahead in life. So together, let's all of us make this event a grand success. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Behind the grand celebration, he has not only laid the foundation for this grand occasion of Resonance in the year 2012, but has also inspired everyone to contribute and excel making Resonance a remarkable success. His exceptional creativity, multifaceted intellect, strong leadership abilities empower and motivate those around him, fostering collaboration and driving progress. I now invite Dr. A.P. Singh, Additional Secretary Trust and Dean Sri Guru Ramdas University of Health Sciences, Sri Amritsar, to come on the stage for the land lighting ceremony, and I also request our Vice Chancellor Sir, Dr. Shakeen Singh, to please accompany him. Please come on the stage, sir. I also now request the rest of the dignitaries on the stage, please accompany for the lamp lighting ceremony.
Dr. Rajiv Devgan, please can you please come forward and just say a few words. Sir, just a slip of tongue because I know you for many years.
Good evening, everyone.
First of all, I would like to thank the organizers for inviting me on this beautiful occasion among all these guests from all over Punjab. So, as Dr. Richa said, it's a slip of tongue, and this happens usually, ma'am. I would like to share that this is my place. I started my journey as faculty from this place 25 years back. And I have seen this institute growing from the infancy when only 1 or 2 buildings were here. And now it is a par excellence institute, one of the best in our region. And I also take proud that, as Dr. Richa said, that many of faculty members who are here, they are product of Government Medical College. So students, you have worked hard. I won't take much of the time. You have put in a lot of efforts. I have seen the initial performance of Bhangra with the full energy and thumping of the stage, and the wonderful rendition of Shri Guru Ramdas Ji on this stage, and more to come. So I would like to congratulate all of you for this wonderful effort, to the faculty members who have put in a lot of effort to bring this memorable or 3-day events to life. Once again, I would like to convey my wishes for the success of this event. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Dr. Rajiv Devgan. May I now invite Dr. Akhilesh Pathak, Dean Principal, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bathinda, to please come forward.
For me to hear from the AIIMS Bathinda, I would like to sincere thanks to all the organizing team of the SGRD, and probably this is the best annual function or any kind of the function which I have attended in the Punjab. So a big round of applause for the team of the SGRD. And as we all know, that team always require a leader. And as I heard that AP Singh sir is leading that team, and it is again a very good thing. So I also learned lots of the things from here, and thank you again for inviting me. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Keeping it short, wonderful, and cheering all the audience. May I invite Dr. Ashok K. Atri, Director Principal, Government Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh. Please come forward, sir.
Darul, Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, other faculties on the dais, dignitaries, faculty of SGRD and dear students. मैं SGRD 2005 ਤੋਂ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ, ज़्यादा जो हॉस्पिटल जो बन रहा सीगा, उस तो बाद मैंने कई बार मौका मिला इतने आने का एज ए एग्जामिनर, पहले MBBS कोर्सेज वास्ते, इनफैक्ट MBBS वास्ते तो मैं जो पुराना हॉस्पिटल है थोड़ा उत्थों आना काफ़ी टाइम आया उत्थों, पर SGRD में ज़्यादातर PG एग्जाम वास्ते आया। मैं इस इंस्टीट्यूट को फलदे फूलदे देखा है कि मैं डॉक्टर उपल जो मेरे सर्जरी यंगर कोलीग हैगे है, जब मैं GMC अमृतसर आता सी तो उसके फैकल्टी से गए, आज देख के बड़ा चंगा लगता है कि इस इंस्टीट्यूट के वाइस चांसलर हैगे है इस यूनिवर्सिटी के, इन्हों की लीडरशिप के अंदर, डॉक्टर AP सिंह की लीडरशिप के अंदर इन्ना बड़ा प्रोग्राम जो हो रहा है, ये वास्ते तुहानू बहुत बहुत मुबारक। असी GMC चंडीगढ़ बहुत साल पहले ट्रेडिशन शुरू किया सी, मैं तुहानू इनवाइट भी करना चाहता स्टूडेंट्स को, क्योंकि 10 से लेकर 13 तक साडा जोड़ा है यूफोरिया प्रोग्राम है स्टूडेंट्स का IP मेडिकल कॉलेज, जोड़ा कि आलमोस्ट 28 सालों तो चल रहा है, एक्सेप्ट कि 3 साल जोड़े कोविड के दौरान असी नहीं कर पाए सी, ਪਰ ਲਾਸਟ ਈਅਰ ਤੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੱਦਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹਾਂ GMC ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਦੇ ਬਿਹਾਫ 'ਤੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਓ। ਸਾਡਾ ਵੀ 4 ਦਿਨ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਹੈ। ਇੱਕ ਲਾਸਟ ਨੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕਹਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਦਿਨ ਵਾਪਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਣੇ ਹੈ। ਸਾਡੇ ਟਾਈਮ 'ਚ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਫੈਸਟ ਯੂਜੂਲੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਜਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਸੀਗੇ। ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਐਨਕੈਸ਼ ਕਰੋ। ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 4 ਦਿਨ ਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਾਅਦ 'ਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੋਟੋ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਆਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਮਜ਼ੇ ਲਏ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ। ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਸਟੱਡੀਜ਼ ਆਰ ਵੈਰੀ ਟਫ, very tough, and every step once you pass MBBS, second step ਤੁਹਾਡਾ PG ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ। So you will have no time to enjoy further. So my sincere advice is celebrate life, enjoy life, be healthy, and Vaheguru bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, may I invite Dr. Pramod K. Goyal, Principal, Adesh Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Bathinda. Applause, please.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मैं भी अपनी जर्नी अमृतसर तो शुरू की थी 2001 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ आई ਜੁਆਇੰਡ MD ਫੋਰੈਂਸਿਕ ਮੈਡੀਸਨ ਐਟ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਕਾਲਜ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ। ਔਰ SGRD ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੀਗ, ਮੇਰੇ ਸੀਨੀਅਰ, ਮੇਰੇ ਜੂਨੀਅਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੈ। not only from forensic medicine but in SAMR fellowship also. I joined SAMR fellowship in CMC ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ। ਪਰ ਮੇਰੀ ਇੱਕ ਅਲੱਗ ਫੈਮਿਲੀਜ਼ SGRD ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ SAMR ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ। So I have 2 families here, one forensic medicine family and one SAMR family. So I am very thankful for inviting me on this stage, and I will congratulate the SGRD team for organizing this mega event. और मैं I can boast कि साड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी तो maximum student इतने हाजिर हैं। Maximum all of you have said कि 41 institutes have participated, but I will say the maximum number of students have come from our Adesh University. और मैंने पता है कि जो आदेश सानू इनविटेशन आया सी ना, साड़ी मैनेजमेंट को नहीं सीगा कि डॉक्टर साहब जिन्ने बात तो बस स्टूडेंट भेज सकते हो भेज दो, ठीक है, जिन्नियां बसां भेजनियां भेज दो, ठीक है। मतलब ये अपना प्रोग्राम है कहते। तो साडे गुरप्रीत गिल वालों सीगा कि ये प्रोग्राम कहते उन्होंने का नहीं है, अपना आप का प्रोग्राम है। तो साडे स्टूडेंट इन्ने एंथुजियास्टिक सीगे कि भंगड़े की टीम लिए, गिद्धे की टीम लिए स्पैशल ट्रेनर असीं अरेंज कीते 15 दिन उन्होंने लिए। तो पूरी वो जोश नाल इत्थे पहुंचे हैं। मैं फिर सबका बहुत धन्यवाद करना फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस प्रोग्राम। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Dr. Pramod, and that's true. We've got a lot number of participants from Adesh University. May I now invite Dr. Rajiv Arora, Director Principal, Punjab Institute of Medical Sciences, Jalandhar.
Good evening, everybody. Respected Vice Chancellor, Principals. It's a privilege to come and attend this function. We've sent about 60 students from Team Jalandhar. Although we've not been able to win any prizes, next time we'll come prepared. Your event inspires us. We also have a similar event called Ecstasy. So we hope to revive this event at Team Jalandhar soon. Thank you for this invitation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And now we come to the memento ceremony. So memento presentation is a thoughtful, tangible keepsake given to express appreciation for the attendance and contribution of our worthy dignitaries for this event. I hope it will serve as a reminder for this occasion. May I invite our Dean, SGRD UHS, Dr. A.P. Singh sir, and our Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Shakeen Singh sir, to kindly come up the stage and please give the mementos to the dignitaries on the dais. May I also request our Director Principal, Dr. Anupama Mahajan, to come along with to give the mementos to the dignitaries on the dais. May I invite our Vice Chancellor sir, Dr. Manjeet Singh Uppar, Vice Chancellor, Sri Guru Ramdas University of Health Sciences, Sri Amritsar, to come forward to receive a token of appreciation. Cheers! Big round of applause. we are so proud that it is under your chancellorship that we are conducting the 6th Resonance 2025 Festival. May I request Dr. Rajiv Devgan, Principal, Government Medical College, Amritsar, to come forward. Our institute. तालियां तो बजने दे. Round of applause, please. We also welcome and request Dr. Akhilesh Pathak, Dean Principal, AIIMS, Bathinda, to kindly come forward. Cheers, sir. Thanks for finding time to come to our institute. Dr. Ashok K. Athri, Director Principal, Government Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh. I can't hear the applause. They are young boys and girls, the young energies. Dr. Ashok Athri, Director Principal, Government Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh. May I invite Dr. Pramod Goel, Principal, Adesh Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Bathinda, to please come forward. Thank you, sir, for mentioning that we are also from the Famer family. Round of applause. We hear there are a lot of people from Bathinda here. Dr. Rajiv Arora, Director Principal, Punjab Institute of Medical Sciences, Jalandhar, and we hear there are around 40 to 50 participants from Sirs College. Thank you, sirs and madam, for doing the honors. And as we culminate this event, Medical Sciences and Research, Sri Amritsar, Dr. Anupama Mahajan, to kindly deliver the vote of thanks. Madam is the epitome of strength and actively participates and gives her valued advice in all aspects. Ma'am, the stage is yours. Thank you.
And oxidize. Resonance 2025, as the name beautifully encapsulates, is envisioned as a vibrant platform where the diverse cultural talent of the students will echo, where creativity will resonate, and where the spirit of unity and celebrations will thrive. And it would not have been possible without the collective efforts of so many wonderful persons. First and foremost, on behalf of Shri Guru Ramdas Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to respected principals of different medical colleges, Dr. Rajiv Devgan from GMC Amritsar, Dr. Ashok Athri from GMC Chandigarh, Dr. Akhilesh Pathak from AIIMS Bathinda, Dr. Rajiv Arora, PIMS Jalandhar, Dr. Pramod Goel from Adesh Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Bathinda, for sending their highly talented teams in Resonance 2025 and for taking time out of their busy schedules to join us today. Thank you. Heartfelt thanks to worthy Vice Chancellor of Shri Guru Ramdas University of Health Sciences, Dr. Manjeet Singh Uppal ji, for his unwavering support and guidance. A special thanks to Dr. Kavi Pal Singh ji, Principal Shri Guru Ramdas Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, for gracing this event with his esteemed presence. We express our profound gratitude to one exceptional person, the driving force behind Resonance 2025. It was his initial spark of an idea, his persistent encouragement and meticulous planning that has brought this vibrant festival to life. His hands-on involvement at every stage, from conceptualization to the final execution, has been truly inspiring. His commitment to excellence has not only elevated the event, but has also set a benchmark for future initiatives. A big round of applause for Dr. Dean College's respected Dr. A.P. Singh ji. Thank you, sir, for your exceptional leadership, unwavering commitment, and being the guiding light for all of us. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the organizing committee and dedicated faculty for working behind the scenes to ensure that everything runs smoothly. The true vibrancy of the resonance lies in the enthusiastic participation of students who are the heart and soul of this fest. Your talent, energy, and eagerness to embrace this platform are what make this fest truly come alive. Dear students, we are incredibly proud of rich tapestry of talent that you bring to SGRD. A special thanks to our esteemed alumni who have joined us today. Your presence has added grace and prestige to this event. I extend my thanks to our sponsors, media persons, IT team, technical staff, a state officer, Sardar Manmohan Singh ji, and his team of security officials, photographers, videographers, electricians, decorators, malis for your invaluable contribution. Last but not the least, I would like to thank everyone who has contributed directly or indirectly in making this event a resounding success. Wishing you all an exciting and memorable experience in Resonance 2025. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your unflinching support and guiding at every step. कहते हैं कि तड़प के देख किसी की चाहत में तो पता चलता है इंतज़ार क्या होता है। यूँ मिल जाए अगर कोई बिना तड़प के तो कैसे पता चलता है कि प्यार कैसे होता है। So there is an end to everything, but believe me, there is never an end but always a beginning, because the show must go on. We request our dignitaries on the dais to kindly take the seat of the dais so that we begin our next competitive event, that is folk dance competition. So are you ready? हम जानते हैं आप हैं बेकरार, पर सिर्फ कुछ पलों का है इंतजार, और फिर शुरू होगा ये शो फिर से एकदम धमाकेदार, रेजोनेंस 2025।
ਮਾਝਾ ਤੇ ਮਾਲਵਾ ਦੁਆਬਾ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਨੇ, ਛੋਟੇ ਤੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਤੇ ਪਿਆਸੇ ਨੇ, ਸਤਲੁਜ ਰਾਵੀ ਤੇ ਚਨਾਬ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਓ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਓ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ।
ਕਿ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਗੱਲ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਦੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ,
ਜਿੱਥੇ ਗੱਲ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬਣਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ,
ਉੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਲੋਕ ਨਾਚਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਵੀ ਲਾਜ਼ਮੀ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ।
ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਬਹਾਦਰੀ, ਖੁਸ਼ਹਾਲੀ ਤੇ ਜੋਸ਼ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਤੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਗੱਲ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨੱਚਣ ਗਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਲੁੱਡੀ, ਮਲਵਈ ਗਿੱਧਾ ਵਰਗੇ ਲੋਕ ਨਾਚਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਣੀ ਵੀ ਲਾਜ਼ਮੀ ਹੈ।
ਜਦੋਂ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਸਮਿਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਸੂਰਮੇ ਜੰਗ ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਇਹ ਲੋਕ ਨਾਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਮਨਾਉਂਦੇ, ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਲੋਕ ਨਾਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੁਰਖਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਯਾਦ ਦਿਵਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ।
ਤੇ ਆਓ ਫਿਰ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਇਸ ਮੁਕਾਬਲੇ ਦੇ ਰੂਲਸ ਤੋਂ ਜਾਣੂ ਕਰਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
ਸੋ ਇਸ ਮੁਕਾਬਲੇ ਦੇ ਰੂਲਸ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਰ ਹਨ ਕਿ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਟੀਮ ਵਿੱਚ 10 ਤੋਂ 12 ਪਾਰਟਿਸਪੈਂਟਸ ਅਲਾਉਡ ਨੇ, ਤੇ ਹਰ ਪਰਫਾਰਮੈਂਸ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਂ 7 ਤੋਂ 10 ਮਿੰਟ ਸੀਮਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਕਾਲਜ ਤੋਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕ ਐਂਟਰੀ ਹੀ ਅਲਾਉਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ।
ਇਸ ਫੋਕ ਪਰਫਾਰਮੈਂਸ ਮੁਕਾਬਲੇ ਦੇ ਜੱਜ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨ ਸਤਿਕਾਰਯੋਗ ਗੁਰਸੇਵਕ ਸਿੰਘ ਨਾਮੀ, ਸਤਿਕਾਰਯੋਗ ਸਰਵਿੰਦਰਪਾਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ, ਮਿਸਿਸ ਨੇਹਾ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਮੈਮ ਅਤੇ ਸੁਮਨ ਤਾਰਾ ਜੀ ਹਨ। ਤੇ ਆਓ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਜੀ ਆਖਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵੈਰ ਕਮਾਉਣੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ, ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵੈਰ ਕਮਾਉਣੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ, ਲੋਕੀ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਅੰਦਾਜ਼ੇ ਲਾ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਕਿ ਮੁੱਛਾਂ ਕੁੰਡੀਆਂ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਸਾਡੇ, ਲੋਕੀ ਐਵੇਂ ਸਾਥੋਂ ਘਬਰਾ ਜਾਂਦੇ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚੁਸਤ ਚਲਾਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚੁਸਤ ਚਲਾਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ, ਜੋ ਕਈਏ ਕਰਕੇ ਵਿਖਾ ਜਾਂਦੇ। ਓਏ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਦੇਸ਼ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ, ਹਰ ਮੈਦਾਨ 'ਚ ਫਤਿਹ ਬੁਲਾ ਜਾਂਦੇ, ਹਰ ਮੈਦਾਨ 'ਚ ਫਤਿਹ ਬੁਲਾ ਜਾਂਦੇ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਮੈਦਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਫਤਿਹ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਟੀਮ ਟਿਊਲਿਪ, ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰੂਗੀ ਟੀਮ ਟਿਊਲਿਪ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰੂਗੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਸਿੱਧ ਲੋਕ ਨਾਚ ਮਲਵਈ ਗਿੱਧਾ।